Twinkie, 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 Stinky, Stinky, Stinky.
Nico, what's wrong? Are you crying? You're a good boy. What's wrong? You have a temper tantrum? What? Oh, Nico. You're a good boy, but you're really a girl. Okay, we have to leave now and get some dinner, Nico.
I've never half an hour late because of the swan.
Yeah, as well, yeah.
Hey mate, got a job for you. Gee mate. walk past people without saying hello?
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, I'm Pat. Yeah. Oh.
Alexa, read my shopping list.
You have 19 items on your shopping list. Here are the 5 most recent. Poetry. Strawberries. 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 Would you like to hear the next 5 items?
Who ordered the strawberries, Beeps?
You have 19 items on your shopping list. Here are the 5 most recent. Here are the next 5 items.
Yes, please.
Strawberry yogurt. Easy water. Jeans. Harry. Big tofu. Would you like to hear the next 5 items?
Yes!
Big. Big. Red tree. Milk. Berry. Do you want to hear your last 4 items?
Please, yes.
Apple. Berry. Berry. Berries.